Hi, my name is Stacy. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make Hawaiian Haystacks. This is a really cheap food, it's easy to make, and it can be adjusted to feed a lot of people. With grocery prices going up, this might be a really good game changer for your family. All right, so the first thing you're gonna start with is cooking up a pot of rice. I prefer this rice cooker actually, and I know I'm not getting paid to promote it, but I've tried a few different rice cookers, and I really like these kind that are totally enclosed. You can get the kind with the glass lids, and they tend to dry out the rice. So this is my favorite, and I just wanted to show you that. So let's go ahead, and after your rice is cooked, you're going to want to cook up a pot of cream of chicken soup. Now it doesn't have to be cream of chicken. If you like cream of mushroom, that works just as well. This is already warmed, and once it's warmed, you're going to add some chopped up chicken. This is a great way to use leftovers, and we're just going to add this to the soup. Okay. And you'll add as much as you want for your family and everything. So, okay. Once this is mixed up the way you want it to be, you'll go ahead and just start putting your rice in your dish, and then you'll top it, and that's all there is to it. Like I said, this will feed a lot of people. We have 5 children, my husband and I, and so we use this probably once every other week at least to feed our family. Especially when you're broke, it really does help to stretch those dollars. So we're gonna go ahead and put on our chicken with our cream soup anyway. And after that, we have some very particular toppings in our household that we like, but there are lots of different recipes that you can follow, and other people like different things. So after I put the cream soup with the chicken on the rice, then I'm gonna top it with some shredded cheese, green onions, black olives, and some pineapple chunks. Finally, the last thing I like to do is add these dried chow noodles. It doesn't have to be this brand, whatever you find at your grocery store. And I know it sounds kind of weird to put this on if you've never had it, but it just makes this really like a whole body crunch kind of food. And the pineapple, another thing that was, when I first had this years and years ago, I thought that is kind of weird, but it has this sweet tenderness to it that really just adds to the whole mix. This is definitely a comfort food, and I hope you guys will try this at least. I think it will be a winner in your household just like it was in mine. Have a good day. Bye.